Secure your feed supply and escape volatile market prices with the Lyine automated hydroponic fodder system. Think of it as your own on-site factory, producing fresh, high-nutrient livestock feed 365 days a year. The system is highly versatile, suitable for wheat, barley, oats, rye, corn, sorghum, beans, and more. It transforms these seeds into 18 to negative 20 centimeter green fodder in a cycle of just 6 to 7 days, with virtually no manual labor required. Benefit number 1, grow year-round, guaranteed production, regardless of the weather or season. Benefit number 2, full automation. The system handles the work, significantly saving you time and labor costs. Benefit number 3, higher nutrition. Provide safe, mold-free feed, specifically optimized for cattle and sheep, ensuring better health and productivity. And benefit number 4, water efficiency. Our technology uses up to 90% less water than traditional methods. So who is this system designed for? It is the ideal solution for dairy farms, cattle ranches, equestrian centers, and agricultural entrepreneurs. Are you ready to build your own fodder farm? Trust in the Lyine Group team with over 30 years of industry experience. We provide a complete turnkey service, guiding you from initial concept to final installation. Contact us now for a free professional consultation. Reach out via WhatsApp or visit our website today.